Hi everybody, welcome to Room Brothers. The theme of this video is very important in 2024. Not everybody needs a bigger motorcycle. People have this mindset that you are only respected if you have a bigger CC motorcycle, which is completely wrong. The culprit is the social media and the negative influence of it. That doesn't give you the real picture. So people are pushing their limits and their budget to buy bigger CC motorcycles. Let me tell you a fact, 95% of them don't have the skill or the expertise or the experience to handle that kind of power and torque. It doesn't matter if you have a bigger CC or a smaller CC machine. It's a motorcycle. End of the day, you are supposed to enjoy it. Every rider is not the same. Neither is the ride in this case, as we are talking about motorcycles. That's why we have categories of motorcycles based on the requirement. Choose a machine that suits your particular needs. This is why I tell you, before your purchase, sit down with experts like me who are in the automotive sector for a considerable amount of time. Have a brief talk, consider their inputs, then go for the purchase. By doing so, you will not regret your decision. Rather, you will enjoy every day of your ride. There is an old saying which goes along these lines: a happy consumer is always a happy rider. I'm going to talk on such interesting and very seldomly spoken topics in the automotive field. So you don't want to miss out on those topics. Go and hit that subscribe button and engage with the content. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.